Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make video collages for Instagram Reels. The process is really easy. I'll show you how. Stay with me. Let's get started. Before that, be sure you've installed Instagram on your phone and you have already logged into your account. If you haven't done that already, then go ahead and do it first. Now let's get to the point. So first of all, open Instagram on your phone. This is the homepage of Instagram. Now from here, you'll have to go to your profile. So for that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is your profile page. Now to create a reel, you'll have to tap on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen right besides the three horizontal lines. Then go to reel. Okay, now on the left corner of the screen, you can see the layout option, which is the second last option. So go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see the first layout option, tap on it, and here you can see all three layouts for videos. Now you just have to pick the layout that you like the most. I'll just pick this one. Now you can start creating your reel. You can either capture a real-time video or upload your videos from gallery. Let's capture videos. Now you can edit the layout if you want to. You can tap on the photos or videos if you want to delete them, or press and hold the videos to move them. And after you're done, you'll simply have to tap on the tick option. Let it load. Now tap on preview and you can upload it. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for further tutorials. Thank you.